Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to another Shopify SEO tutorial video where I'm gonna walk you through how you can do SEO on your own with all of the basic and easy implementation which I'm gonna teach you guys. SEO is really important in the long run. So if you are burning a lot of cash on PPC, SEO might be a savior for you in long run. It is not going to give you results within a week or within few months. It basically requires a long-term strategy. So if you are looking to cut down your PPC cost while you're running your store in the long run, you can rely on SEO. And in this video, I'm going to give you a complete basic structure on how you can do SEO without needing any SEO specialist or marketing optimization specialist. All of the steps which I'm giving you guys are the initial and basic level SEO settings which you can do when you are launching your store. So make sure to watch the complete video and learn to improve how you can do SEO of your Shopify store. So guys, first step is the keyword research. So if you are trying to rank for a keyword which is really high in competition and low in keyword, you are basically draining your energy on something which you should not do. So first thing is the keyword research. Whatever you're selling, make sure to find keywords which are low in competition and high in traffic. Now the next question of yours would be that how can I find those keywords? There is a simple and free tool available for that, which is Google Keyword Planner. I already have logged in the Google Keyword Planner, as you can see on my screen. So all you have to do is just search for Google Keyword Planner and you would have a screen like this, and you can simply click on discover new keywords and find the keywords which are low in competition and high in search volume. So I recently launched a brand who are selling car top covers, car accessories and stuff like that. And it was the first step to find the keywords, find the products that we can easily hit the market, which is low in competition and high in search volume. So I would just go to this Google Keyword Planner tool and search for car top covers and make sure to select your location here. I have here selected United States, and then I'm going to click on get results. And you can see that I have the complete list showing up here with all of the keywords which are high in competition and average monthly searches as well. Now you can simply scroll down and find out the ones where we have low competition. You can see that we have some low competition keyword as well. This one, which is saying 40% increase year-on-year change, and it is basically getting 170 monthly search volume, and it is low in competition. So it is a really good keyword to target for your Shopify store in order to rank higher on this particular keyword. Obviously, it is not going to give you results which are instantly, but again, you can cut down your PPC cost if you focus on SEO. So that was the first step, which is really important. It is the step which you should do even before the launch of your store. So you should know that what are the products which are high in demand and what are the products which you can easily target in Google search. Now the next thing is the on-page SEO, and this is also really important because no matter how cool looking or how awesome looking store you built, but if it is not ranking on Google, I don't think you would be able to sell your product in a good price, or you won't be able to get much sales if you don't have proper on-page SEO settings done. Now it is really simple to set up on-page SEO. We will be focusing on title and description. The first thing which you can work on is to add meta title and meta description of your store itself. So let's suppose you're selling clothing, or let's suppose you are selling leather jackets or whatever products you have. You would need to define that on your product title and description, and you can find your product title and description on preferences. So if you go to preferences, you can see that here we have social sharing image and SEO, and you would add your homepage title and meta description. Here you can see that we have character limit 0 of 70 characters used. So let's suppose you're selling leather jackets, I would be adding number one leather jacket online store with high quality product, with high quality material. That is just a general way of adding the meta title, but what you can do here is you can use ChatGPT, which is really good. So I would just go to ChatGPT and then search for the proper meta title and description using the product. So I would just say I am selling leather jackets online. Please suggest meta title and description for my store. Now you can see that it has generated multiple meta title and meta description, which you can simply copy and paste and use it on your store. I would just simply copy it, add it to my homepage title, and then paste the meta description. So that is to set up the meta title and meta description at the store level. If you don't know where the meta title and how the meta title and description appears, so simply I would search leather jacket online. And you can see these are the results. So these are some of the Google ads which are showing up just to me because of the Gmail account which I've already logged in. You would see this something like that. So if I search for, so that is the location which I have added. You can also focus on these type of keywords as well. So here you can see that we have this as the meta title and this as the meta description. This is coming from an ad. That is the organic result which we are getting. Here you can see that it clearly states on the meta title that what are they selling, right? Similarly on meta description, they have it clearly mentioned and all of the keywords as well are added in the meta description, and hence it is showing up as first, ranking as first in Google. All of these top ones are sponsored ads, and below that organic results, we have this one coming up at the top, and we can already see that the meta title, meta description is completely SEO friendly, right? So this is for the store level. This is the meta title and meta description settings for the complete store. Now, the second most important page on our store is the product page. Now, if you go to the product page, and here, if I open up any of the product, so let's suppose this is the product which I'm selling. This is the Drop Classic Leather Wireless Charger. Let's preview that product page. So that's how it currently looks, right? And ideally you would add a product name which is not really huge. So I would not add all of the size, all of the details of the product within the title because I want to optimize for SEO. You would add a simple product, but you can add in SEO title and SEO description showing up here, right? So if you scroll down to the bottom, you have this option here in search engine listing on the product page. Click on this pencil icon and add in the meta title, which is also called page title, and meta description. Again, you can use ChatGPT to generate high quality meta title and meta description. All you have to do is just copy this product page or product name and then give this product name to ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, please generate SEO friendly product meta title and description for. Now you can see that ChatGPT have given us high quality meta title and meta description, but it doesn't have enough context. So make sure to give complete description and title to ChatGPT and then copy and paste that meta title and meta description to these products. It will definitely help you rank better on SEO. And nowadays, people are also asking ChatGPT questions, and ChatGPT also get the results from the search. So it will also help you rank in AI overview, which shows up on Google searches nowadays, and it also shows up in ChatGPT. So if I search for, so let's create a new chat and search for, do you know WebSense Pro? It is basically going to pull up the details from the web, and you can see that it gives the result. that Website Services Digital Agency, their official website positions them as a full. So all of the details is pulling up from the Google search, and here you can see that according to the Shopify partner profile, they are 5-star rated agencies, 12 reviews, headquartered in this, and also targeting clients in US, UK, UAE. So it is also really important to have this stuff properly aligned on your store, so you can also be visible on ChatGPT and on Claude and all of these different LLMs, because they are now pulling up the data from the web. And if your web is showing up on the top, then definitely you have more chances of being shown up in these LLMs as well, because nowadays is everyone asking questions from ChatGPT or Perplexity, and there are multiple other models which everyone is using to ask questions about the website, the products, and stuff like that, right? So that is for the title and description. Now it is really important to have SEO friendly URL. Make sure to not to include any verbs and like that. So if I want to, so this is completely SEO friendly URL. If I will add in, for, or words like that, or even numbers or underscore, these are the characters which you should not use in your URLs, because these are not SEO friendly. So make sure to not to use any of things like that, and make sure to focus on keyword on the URL, because that is also detected by Google. And now we will talk about alt text. Now when Google index or any of the search engine index your website, it doesn't actually see the image, it actually reads the alt text which is used for defining the image. Now in Shopify it is really simple. All you have to do is, let's suppose you are doing that for the product page. Now you would go to image gallery, which is the media here, click on any of the image, and here you have this alt text added. Make sure to add the proper details of the image in alt text for all of the images. That will really help you in the Google Images section. So if I search for Google Images, you can see this will also help you rank, because when someone is trying to search for the image, your website might show up and eventually they will land on your store or on your website. So that is also a thing which you should take care of. The third point is the speed optimization. Now in Shopify, if you are using Shopify built-in theme, they are usually pretty fast, but I suggest you guys not to use a lot of apps for the speed optimization, and different apps for every single functionality. So if you have like 20 or 25 apps on your store, it is going to slow down your store. So try to use as less apps as you can. Only add the app which is really mandatory and which can help you boost your store, or which can help you improve your sales. And one more thing I would like to add, that if you want to automate all of your SEO tasks using AI, so currently I gave you guys an idea of using ChatGPT, of how you can copy the meta title and meta description, but you can do all of that stuff in SEO. And so there's a really awesome app which you should use, which is SEO and AI SEO. And they have all of the features for SEO if you want to improve your store speed, and if you want to do on-page SEO scan, link management, keyword research. I shown you guys that it is really important to have a proper keyword research. So make sure to check this app out. I am going to add the link in the description. Also, if you use the code WebSense you will get 50% off on the pricing mentioned in the app page. So if you go to the app pricing, the pricing which they have is, they also have the free plan. So you can use a free plan. They have the pro plan and the premium plan. And if you use the code in the description, which is WebSense Pro, you will get a 50% off on all of the premium plans, pro plan and the premium plan. So make sure to use the code and boost your SEO, right? Using this app, which is all automated. You don't have to manually add in the meta title, meta description. You don't have to find the broken links manually. You don't have to add in the alt text manually. You can do that, all of that stuff using the power of AI automatically using this app. Let me also give you guys a live demo of how this app can automate the on-page SEO and how easy it is to do that via this app. So you don't have to do anything manually. So I'm on this app here, and if I go to on-page SEO scan, you can see that it's highlighting we have 19 important issues which we need to address. Also, it's giving the SEO score for every single product individually, right? Now let's try to fix SEO issues for one of the product. So I'm going to fix the issue where we have the lowest score. So here you can see we have the score is 8. So let's click on that product. And here you can see that it's showing up all of the issues, improvement, and what other things which we have done correctly. Now let's click on AI Optimize to see how it performs everything automatically. There you go. Now you can see that it's giving us the focus keyword, it's giving us the title, H2, and description of the product. That is our meta title. That is our meta description, and here we have product tag. Now all we have to do is just click on accept all, and it will add all of the stuff in our product. Now let's do that, and now click save. Here we go. You can see that our SEO score now improved from 8 to 92, and it is also really helpful to do that in bulk. So if I just click on and select on all of the product in the list, currently selected 10, and I'm simply gonna click on AI auto generate keyword, and it is going to do that for all of the products. Here you can see now that all of the focus keywords have been filled in, right? So with the power of SEO, you can perform SEO tasks really fast using this app, and not just the on-page SEO. We also have the link management. We also have the keyword research, and especially the speed optimization, which is also really important because most of the visitor of your website is going to come through mobile app, and it's really important to have your website blazing fast in the mobile version, and this app is going to help you do all of that task automatically, right? And that is also the fourth part of our video, which is the mobile layout. So your website should be properly aligned and everything should be properly done on the mobile layout. You should be focusing more on mobile rather than the desktop, because 70 to 80% of the traffic will be coming on the mobile version of your website. I think that's it for the video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to create more advanced tutorial for SEO, where I'm going to be teaching you guys technical SEO, how to add in rich snippet, and how to add a schema markup on your product page and on your collection page. If you want that, let me know in the comments below. Until next video, have a great day.